Good evening. India's third COVID vaccine is now available. How much will you have to pay for Sputnik 5? Sputnik 5 is a two-dose COVID-19 vaccine which has an efficacy of over 91% according to a publication in scientific journal The Lancet. How much will it cost in India? How many doses will it add to India's vaccination efforts? Dr. Reddy's Laboratories on Friday said it had launched Sputnik 5 in India. The vaccine is currently the second most expensive COVID-19 vaccine in the country. Made by the Gemaylia Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology in Moscow, Sputnik 5 is a two-dose COVID-19 vaccine using a similar platform to Covishield, the most widely used vaccine in India since the government's immunization program began in January. However, unlike Covishield, which uses a weakened common cold adenovirus that affects chimpanzees, Sputnik 5 makes use of two different human adenoviruses. The vaccine has an efficacy of over 91% according to a publication in scientific journal The Lancet. This means it has the ability to bring down symptomatic COVID-19 cases by over 91% in those vaccinated compared with those who have not received a COVID vaccine. In India, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories is the local distribution partner for Sputnik 5. Following clearances from the Central Drugs Laboratory, which performed various tests on the vaccine's quality and stability, the first dose of Sputnik 5 was administered in Hyderabad. So far, DRL has only received 150,000 doses of this vaccine from Russia. The company expects more doses soon. According to its agreement with the Russian Direct Investment Fund, which has been in charge of signing agreements for supply of this vaccine across the world, India is expected to get at least 250 million doses, which will be sufficient to inoculate 125 million people. However, it is unclear by when these doses will be supplied and distributed in India. Capacity to make 850 million doses of the vaccine is also being set up in India through pacts inked with various biotechnology companies. The vaccine has been priced at Rs 948 per dose. However, including 5% goods and services tax, the price of this vaccine goes up to 995.4 per dose. DRL says the price might go down once local supplies begin. It is unclear when this is expected to happen. Covishield manufactured by Serum Institute of India is cheaper than Sputnik 5 at the moment. It is provided to states at Rs 300 per dose, while it is priced at Rs 600 per dose to private hospitals. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, the other COVID vaccine supplied in India, is the most expensive COVID-19 vaccine in India's portfolio of vaccines so far. It is priced at Rs 400 per dose for states and sold at Rs 1,200 per dose to private hospitals. Thank you.